Welcome back. Cut this shape with the help of a scissor and then you can simply place them around your flippers or your slippers, and you can use clay too for the decorative purpose, and your paper slippers or eco-friendly slippers will be ready just in few seconds. Take this sheet and then start folding it. After folding it into these shapes, you can simply start inserting them like this. After doing that, you can observe that how wonderfully they have been plugged in together. See, the blocks of these paper or these sheets look very great. Now cut the strip or cut the stick and see how perfectly they are flipping. Take another sheet and then start rolling it like this. After folding it, you can observe that we have reached at this stage. At this stage, you have to fold it again and fold it from the inside. Well, this boat is ready. This sheet has to be drawn with the help of a black marker, and kindly observe the pattern that was drawn. After drawing that, simply cut it and open it for a beautiful pattern. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.